Derek and I are working on a massive beehive, about 40 feet high. All right, here we go. I'm gonna send this piece down. I'm lowering a box full of honey and bees down to Derek. If this thing falls, it's not gonna be good.
It's like you're lowering the whole hive. They're all over the outside of it.
Ooh. Oh, this is not a good sign.
That's not good. Keep going. Just let it more down. Perfect. I'm gonna unload this and then you can bring it back up so you can put more in it.
Once the comb is safely on the ground, Derek cuts it to fit into the wood frames. He'll then use rubber bands to hold the comb into place. It seems my initial instinct about this hive was right. This is a queenless colony. One of the daughters of the queen is pretending to be the queen. All the eggs that she is laying are unfertilized. This only happens when they're so desperate. They want to save the hive so badly, so they will make one of the daughters a pretend queen. A lot of people don't realize that a bee's lifespan is around 40 days. So if there's no queen producing new bees, eventually this hive will just run out of bees.
How many more slats do you have?
3, 4, just 4.
All right, keep sending me down the slats.
All right. Ooh, there's a lot of bees hanging on the bottom here. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Woo! This might be the biggest one. I think the bees are starting to get a little bit agitated. I'm having a little bit of a reaction from bee stings. My finger has swollen up. I'm gonna give them a little bit of smoke.
Those outer slats are full of honey, aren't they?
It's full of honey. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh my God.
Look at it dripping. Watch out, open your mouth. Stand underneath.
Here comes the honey. Yeah.
It's raining honey.
There's the honey.
Woo!
That's good.
We're almost done. This is one of the last pieces of comb, and it's pearly white, meaning it's brand new comb. They just foraged this.
I'm out here watching Alicia go right up close to this hive, not afraid in the least. I cannot believe she's that close to that hive.
She's a badass.
This girl has a lot of courage.
Send them on down.
I'm just trying to be so careful. I don't want to kill any of the bees. All right, here goes nothing. This last batch of comb is the heaviest. Ooh.
Oh, man.
That was close.
All right.
I'm okay. I just wasn't expecting it.
How heavy is it?
I think it weighs like maybe 35 pounds.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm very nervous because if this bungee cord breaks, we're gonna be in serious trouble. My hands are covered in honey. I'm really struggling to hold on to this rope.
You got that bungee cord stretched way out.
Be ready to run if it breaks. This has gotta be one of the craziest bee removals we've done.
It's looking good.
It's so heavy.
You got it. All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
So now that all the comb is down, I'm ready to get down. I am done.
How'd it go?
The removal was smooth. Once I started removing the comb, they settled a little bit. I only took a few stings, but do you know what I noticed? That there were different varieties of honey.
They've been there for a while.
Yeah, I think it was probably a last season
Yeah.
swarm. You definitely did not see a queen.
No queen. I saw the drone comb, some laying worker eggs, so you're definitely right. There's no queen up there.
Okay. I'm a little disappointed that there's no queen, but I'm gonna be able to save this colony by inserting a new queen. That way she can continue to lay eggs and keep the colony alive. Hey, Christine.
Hey, how'd it go?
Everything was smooth. There was some bad news. There is no queen.
Really?
Yeah, the queen probably went out for her mating flight, and I would bet, living on this lake, a dragonfly ate her. Mm-hmm. Yeah, dragonflies.
Lots of those around here.
They love queen bees.
Okay.
So it's a good thing that you called me when you did, because I'm gonna save the hive.
Oh, that's how
Yes.
that works. Okay.
But I do have something for you.
Ooh, really?
Have honey.
Who would have thought that we could get honey out of a tree in our backyard? Oh my gosh.
What are you tasting in there? Almost a little zesty,
I
maybe?
like a little zing to it.
Yes.
Yep.
I feel like this is probably Brazilian pepper.
Yep.
That's the flavor I'm picking up. That's
Okay.
a fall honey for us, but sometimes it will bloom in the springtime.
Wow.
Well, we have a lot of honey for you, so this is
Oh,
just
that's
a little bit,
fantastic.
but here you go.
Thank you. We live in Apopka. There's a lot of natural history here, and there's a lot of building going on around here. So it's really important that we preserve our pollinators.
I'm all done. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and take the bees to an apiary.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.